Hi guys, if your Whirlpool oven is not responding, showing any errors or stuck on the cycle, a reset is going to fix it all. So in this video you are going to learn how to reset it using both power and control panel method. So the first thing that you can do in order to reset it is you can simply just turn off the oven from the circuit breaker, or you can unplug it if it is accessible. Then leave it off for about 5 minutes, then restore the power. After doing so, once the power is back, you just have to simply press the cancel slash off button, then wait for the display to clear completely, and this stop any kind of stuck or incomplete cooking cycle. Afterwards, you just have to simply press and hold the cancel or the off button again for about 5 seconds. On some models, you may need to press the bake plus cancel button together, and this forces the control panel reboot, and it will also restore the responsiveness. So you can try these easy methods, and the problem whichever you are facing is going to be fixed. Thank you.